Hello, good morning children. Now we are starting our second term lesson. Lesson number 6. Alright? Everybody open your textbook. Honeysuckle, page number 69. Hmm? Now see, in this lesson we look out at what we are like and how each of us is different and how everybody is different, no? Somebody wants to become a doctor, some engineer, some teacher. Huh? We are all interesting people in different ways. Hmm? And we are all good at different things. As you read this, think about what you are like and what you enjoy doing. After I explain you this, you think what you want to be, what are you like. Hmm? Now Radha, now what does Radha say? My favorite activity is climbing trees. Hmm? Just outside our house, there is a mango tree. Which tree is there? Mango tree, which I love to go up. She climbs the mango tree. Its branches spread out. Now in mango tree, so many branches are there, okay? So it is simple to climb up the tree. And I can sit comfortably in the fork of two branches. When two branches are there together, and she sits on it. Okay? My mother tells me it is not sensible for girls to climb trees. Mother says, no, girls should not climb trees. But one afternoon, she climbed up too. One afternoon, mother also climbed. And both of us sat there talking and eating raw mangoes. Raw mangoes means kacha mango, kachi keri. Both mother and daughter are eating. Hmm? When I am high up in the tree, I feel I like I feel like I can rule the whole world. Okay, when I sit up on the top of the tree, I feel I can rule the full world. Okay, now page number 70. Nasir. Now what does Nasir say? What he wants to become? He says, when I grow up, I want to become a seed collector. Seed means seed, from fields we get mango seed, cotton seed, different types of seeds. Now I want to be a seed collector. I will collect all types of seeds. Why? We have cotton fields. He says they are having cotton fields in our village. And every year, my father spends a lot of money on buying new seeds to grow our cotton plants. My grandfather told me that many years ago, he could collect the seeds from his own plants, which could be sown to grow new plants during the next year. That means the seed plants are very costly. So what his grandfather used to do, he used to collect all the seeds from his field and then sow again and pacha ugavana. But today that doesn't work. So we have to spend money to buy new seeds every single year. Every year we have to buy new seeds. And seeds are very costly. I want to find out why that is so. I want to learn how to preserve seeds. I want to learn to preserve seeds. And Sachvine Rakwana seeds there. So that we can use them again and not spend money every year. The Rohit, what does Rohit say? He says, if I have a lot of money, if I had a huge amount of money, I would travel and travel and travel and travel. I want to see the mountains of New Zealand because they looked so beautiful in a magazine picture. I wish I could sail down the Amazon River. River Amazon, he wants to go and sail in South America on a raft. I want to leave. This is page 71, children. I want to live on the beaches of Lakshadweep. Okay, and dive down to see coral. This is video 1. Okay. I suppose I should go to the Konark temple in Orissa, or the old city in Beijing in China, and the pyramids in Egypt too. But what I actually enjoy is seeing nature more than old buildings. He loves to see nature. Okay? Now Sarabjit. What does Sarabjit takes? What does he want to be? What makes me very angry? He becomes very angry and gusso aage. When people don't believe me, when I am telling the truth. I am telling the truth. હું સાચું બોલું. And people don't listen to me. That time I become very angry. Hmm? For example, if I tell my teacher that I couldn't do my homework because Ravi borrowed my book and forgot to return it. I had given my book to Ravi. Ravi did not return it to me. So I could not do the homework. And I tell the teacher or I tell my parents that it wasn't me but my little brother who started the fight. Brothers fight, you know. So he will say little brother started, but they won't believe. Or if I tell my teacher that I really did study for the test, even if I got bad marks, I did not get good marks, but I had prepared for the test. They all look at me as if they think I am telling lies. They look at me as if I am telling lies. The look on their faces really angers me. When I look at their faces, I become very angry. Sometimes I have to look down at my shoes and count to 10 so that I do not show that I am angry. So when he is very angry, he looks down to his shoes and he will count 1 to 10. Okay? Okay children, now page number 72. All of you open. See now what Dolma is saying. Dolma, what she wants to be. When I grow up, I am going to be the Prime Minister of India. What she will be? Prime Minister of India. Why? People always laugh when I say that. People laugh at me, huh? But I am sure that I will do it. Everyone in my class asks me what to do when they have a problem, and my teacher always trusts me. When something needs to be done in school, teacher is always trusting the child, okay? Vishwas rakhe છે, okay? See, I want to make things better for everyone. I want us to have good hospitals and roads and schools. I want to make sure that there are many good scientists in India who will invent cures for diseases and send a spaceship to Mars. Mars મજા આવશે મંગળ ઉપર, okay? Now Peter, what does Peter say? My favorite day is the second Sunday of every month. On this day, our whole family always goes to cinema hall to see a film. My father gets the tickets in advance, and all of us, my grandmother, my parents, my two brothers and I, take the bus there. All of us go there by bus. In the interval, my father buys us peanuts. Peanuts એટલે સિંગદાણા, મગફળી, okay? And I love to sit in the darkness of the hall, eating and watching the film. Afterwards, we always stop to eat ice cream. After that, we go for ice cream. Everyone is in a good mood, and we all feel very lucky that we are such a happy family. Okay children, this lesson is over. I will be sending you the PDF of question answers. This you have to copy in your question answer notebook. You have to write the questions also. I will write direct answers. Okay? Chalo, bye.